welcome you all in the OM Digital Coaching classes. I am Bimlesh Singh. Today I am going to discuss with you the revised syllabus of class 10th subject English for the session 2020 and 21. Students, you all know that there are basically two books prescribed, including in literature First Flight and the Footprint Without Fit, which is in the category of supplementary reader. The another one which has been prescribed by the CBSE is the workbook, especially for the grammar and the writing skill. And the fourth one is the grammar, which is totally dependent on, I have already told you at the time of explaining about the syllabus of the class 9, that it is totally depend on the management and the teacher, that which book they prefers. So without delaying a single moment, let's start. Actually, due to the corona pandemic, CBSE has decided to reduce at least 30% of the syllabus, which will help the student to reduce the burden of the syllabus. Okay? So in that criteria, in the literature category, in the first book, First Flight, there are 5 chapters have been deleted. 5 chapters have been deleted. The first one is how to tell wild animals. How to tell wild animals. Second, trees. Third, fog. And fourth is Mizbil the otter. And fifth and the last is for Anne Gregory. So these 5 chapters have been deleted for the session 2020 and 21. There will be no question will appear in your question paper from these chapters. So students, we have discussed about the First Flight. Right now come on the second book, Footprint Without Fit. Footprint Without Fit, that I told you earlier, this is the supplementary reader. In supplementary reader, there are 3 chapters which are deleted. The first is The Midnight Visitor, second, A Question of Trust, and the third, The Book That Saved the Earth. So including the literature, you can see here, students, 5 plus 3, 8 chapters have been deleted totally from the First Flight and the Footprint Without Fit. Let us come to the workbook section. In workbook, 1 chapter has been just reduced. Words and expression part second. Words and expression part second. So no need to study. But मैं कभी ये नहीं कहूँगा कि आपको पढ़ना नहीं चाहिए. You must read it because every chapter is interconnected, interlinked with one another. So you should not skip. Read it, that there will be no question from them, but at least it will be linked with the another or further. That's why you should read. In grammar, there is no need to study the passive voice. Okay? Clauses, noun, adverbs, relative clauses. These chapters are not in your syllabus for 2021, and the prepositions. So you can see here in the grammar, 3 chapters basically have been deleted. And the use of the passive voice, clauses, noun, adverb, relative, and the preposition. The one thing very important thing is that I would like to share with you, that is, students, if you have the proper books, don't skip to study these all the beautiful stories and the beautiful poems, because I'm damn sure that you will not again come in the class 10. God bless you, you all will pass, but don't skip these chapters. For entertainment, for knowing your complete syllabus, at least you should study these chapters. And words and expression, grammar, this is very important. there should be no confusion in your mind that what to study one, what not to study. So I think after listening this lecture about the revised syllabus, your problems regarding or the confusion regarding how many chapters have been deleted, these all may have been cleared in your mind. So okay, all the very best for your exam, and if you have any doubts, come in our physical class. After the government will just provide you the guidelines when the classes will start. Our coaching is near the Jafarabad railway, crossing Pilikoti, and you can contact, okay, and we will start. Thank you very much.